Okay, just fix the hydraulics on the old Ford 3000. I ordered the wrong sticker. I've got a 2000, actually I don't know whether it's a 2000 or a 3000. Anyway, we'll call it a whatever. Yeah, so I just fixed that. Pipe in there was leaking, replaced the gland nut or whatever you call it. Pretty simple fix. Put the lights on it, the flashing light. Even got indicators. Look at that. On the other side. Just a simple toggle switch with the flasher unit. Well, it does the job, and a bit of a work light at the back, which you can pick those, an LED thing, you can pick them up. It's only got $20 or something. Fabricated up an exhaust pipe on bits and bobs, left spares. Got the 3-cylinder petrol motor in it. Really sweet engine. Exhaust pipes a bit average, but anyway it worked. And I just fixed the bottom of the manifold. Yeah, rough as guts, but I'm too mean to buy another one. Anyway, that's it for that. Done 3,000 odd hours. It's pretty straight. Okay. See you later.